Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to Episode 97. We're continuing our look around San Francisco, and this is our final episode here before we leave the city behind and begin our drive towards Lake Tahoe, north of Yosemite National Park. Over the past days, we've explored every corner of this remarkable city, from the slopes of Russian Hill and the historic waterfront to the calm of Alcatraz Island and the civic grandeur of City Hall. Each street, pier, and park has revealed another layer of what makes San Francisco so distinctive, a place defined as much by its beauty as its complexity. As we take one last look around, it's clear that this is a city of contrasts. Victorian houses stand beside glass towers, cable cars still climb the same hills they did a century ago, and within a few blocks you can pass from quiet parks to streets alive with movement, voices, and change. San Francisco is never static. It's a city in constant reinvention, shaped by resilience, diversity, and a willingness to start again after every setback. Tomorrow the journey continues. We'll be heading east towards Lake Tahoe, climbing out of the bay's coastal air into the high Sierra landscape north of the Yosemite National Park. The scenery will shift from city skylines to pine forest, mountain passes, and alpine lakes. A complete change of pace and atmosphere. But San Francisco will always mark a turning point in the journey, the end of the coast, the beginning of the interior, and the reminder of the enduring spirit of California itself. For now, we take a moment to reflect on the fog rolling over the bay, the clang of cable cars, the murals of the Mission, and the sound of the ocean at Land's End. Few cities leave an impression like this one, complex, challenging, and unforgettable. That concludes today's episode, and our time in San Francisco. Next, we'll leave the bay behind and set out towards Sierra Nevada, beginning a new chapter of the journey in the heart of California.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.